My name is Gauri Arun Vasudev. I am the director of company Flowtork Controls Private Limited. It is based in Pune, industrial area, Hadafar Industrial Estate, next to Hadafar Industrial Estate. Basically, we are manufacturing of electrical actuators, motorized valves and dampers. This company is established in the year 17th January 2019. Now, over a period of this, we are a manufacturer of electrical actuators, motorized valves, dampers, etc. We are catering to the industries like government water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, then cement, steel industries, power plants, Mahajanko in Maharashtra and all over India. And also we are exporting some of our products to countries like African countries and even to some US companies like that. So this company, we are having staff of almost 25 to 30 people, and we are participating in such type of exhibitions in various areas like Hyderabad, Mumbai, then Gujarat, Ahmedabad, like that. Now in Engiexpo, we are benefited. Here we have participated in Ahmedabad, and next we are participating into Jaipur. So these exhibitions ultimately help us to explore our product, to know the customer and other things. Okay.